Namaste and welcome to our new yoga video. This will be a detox flow, which will be super nice to energize and boost your metabolism. So we will go for a lot of rotations, some nice stretches, and for sure it will give you such a good feeling of being balanced, about letting go and welcoming new energy to come. So start in a seated position. Feel free to close your eyes and to take a few deep breathings. Inhale through your nose and exhale as well through your nose. Release tension in your face muscles and your shoulders. And elongate your spine with every breath you take. And as well, let this be part of your detox to refresh your body with new energy coming with every inhale, and to let all the used energy just flow away with every exhale. Deeply in and even deeper out. Try to use those first moments as well to calm your mind, to get in a really present mood. Inhale and exhale. Once again, deep breath in. And a long breath out. And then softly open your eyes and take a deep breath in. Lift your arms all the way up, and with your exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Inhale once again. And with your exhale, go into your first rotation. Right hand to your left knee. Stay here for 3 deep breathings. With every inhale, you elongate your spine. With every exhale, rotate deeper into the rotation. Deeply in and deeper out. With your next inhale, come back to center. And when you exhale, change sides. So give yourself time to feel the position. Lengthen your spine with your inhale. Rotate with your exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. And then move back to center when you inhale. With your exhale, bring your hands to the floor, come in your tabletop position. Make sure that your hands are underneath your shoulders. And then take a breath in, lift your chest. With your exhale, round your back. One more time, inhale and exhale. A last one, inhale, look up, and with your exhale, round your back to come back into your tabletop position. We're starting with the right side, so your right arm goes up when you inhale, and I'll go for your rotation when you exhale. Once again, inhale, nicely rotate your chest up, and with your exhale, go for your rotation. One more time, inhale. And then stay with your exhale into this rotation. Feel free to lay your shoulder down to the ground. Feel as well free to elongate your spine with your left arm. Inhale and exhale. And then slowly find your way back. Go once again into this nice rotation. Lift your chest even higher. With your exhale, bring your hand back to the ground. Inhale, look up. And now with your exhale, push back into first downward facing dog. Feel free to walk your dog from side to side. Push your hand into the mat. Elongate your spine. And then roll up with your inhale into your plank pose. Bring knees, chin and chest down to the ground. With your inhale, come into your cobra pose. Make sure that you keep your elbows close to your body, that you relax your glutes. And then push back into downward facing dog with your exhale. With your inhale, come back into your tabletop position. Find a nice tabletop and then make sure that left side starts with your inhale to lift up, and with your exhale go in this rotation. Once again, inhale, look up, and with your exhale flow in this rotation. Last one, inhale, and then exhale, stay here, deeply in and out. One more time, inhale and exhale. And then come back with your inhale. And with your exhale, bring your hand back to the ground. Push back into your downward facing dog again. Walk your dog. Second time. So invite a little bit more lightness into the back side of your body, and then flow back into your plank pose. Bring knees, chin and chest down to the ground with your inhale. Rotate your shoulders back for a nice cobra pose, and with your exhale, step back into your downward facing dog. Take your breath here. Inhale and exhale. And then go for a super nice rotation. So look to the right side, and if you like, give it a try to bring your left hand to the right side of your leg. Take a breath in and out. And then slowly release. Hand back to the ground. And you lift your right leg nicely up. Step forward with your exhale. Make sure that your right foot stays at the beginning of your mat. Sink deeper with your hips, so create a lot of length. And now make sure that you nicely ground the left hand and rotate with your right arm up to the sky. So now make sure that your upper body is really close to your leg, so you can go into this rotation to stimulate your digestion, activate your metabolism, and then release. Bring your hand back to the ground and step back into your downward facing dog. Same thing, other side. Make sure you go for this rotation on the left side, and feel free to give it a try to release the right hand coming to the left side of your leg. Inhale and exhale. And then slowly back with your hand, and the left foot reaches up to the sky. With your exhale, step forward between your hands. First of all, sink deeper with your hip. Ground your right hand, and with your inhale, go for the rotation. Remember to keep your upper body close to your leg. Inhale and exhale. Once again, deeply in and deeper out. And then release your hands and step back into your downward facing dog. With your inhale, into your plank pose. Knees, chin and chest to the ground. Inhale, rotate up in your cobra pose, and with your exhale, back into downward facing dog. So right leg again, lift your leg nicely up. With your exhale, step forward between your hands. Make sure once again to ground the left hand. With your inhale, go for this nice rotation up. Inhale, and with your exhale, let your right arm sink back on your mat, and with your inhale, come up into your warrior one position, and with your exhale, directly just rotate into your warrior two. Make sure that your pelvic is nicely lifted up, that your arms are sinking deeper, that you're taking a breath in and out. And then inhale again. Now straight both legs, and make sure that your toes are facing the long side of your mat. Grab your fingers on the back side. Lift your chest up even higher. Now with your exhale, sink deeper to the floor. Breathe in and breathe out. Then release your fingers. Place them in front of you. And now make sure left hand are moving to the right side. Make sure that your pelvic stays like it is, and you're rotating up now to the left side. If you like, give it a try to elongate the right arm with the inhale. And an exhale back to center. Now turn your heels to center and come into a really strong position up to the sky and sink once again deeper in this nice goddess pose. Feel free to go for really simple and slow and soft movements for your pelvic. And then reach up again. So align your feet, the right foot to the front, left 90 degrees ankle to go back into Warrior 2. Once again, check alignment of your pelvic. Elongate your hands. And then come back with the inhale into Warrior 1 position. With the exhale, now bring your hands back to the ground and watch out. We're bringing the left knee to your right foot. So you can sit down on the floor, hug your knee. With your left side, make sure that both sitting bones are nicely in contact with the mat. With the inhale, lift your right arm, and with the exhale, go for this rotation. And once again, now feel your breath coming and going with the contact of leg and your upper body. Second one, inhale and exhale. And a third one, inhale and exhale. Slowly and nicely release. Bring your hands back to the beginning. Step back with both feet into downward facing dog. With the inhale, roll up into your plank, knees, chin and chest to the ground. Inhale, rotate your shoulders back, cobra pose. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe in and out. And then lift the left leg up. Step forward. Foot between your hands. Ground your right hand. And lift your left arm. With the inhale up. And with your exhale, back. Inhale, come into your Warrior 1. Make sure that first of all your pelvic stays upright. And with your exhale, open into your Warrior 2 so your pelvic moves to the long side. Flow deeper in. Inhale. Bring it back to center so both legs are facing the front side once again. And with the exhale, grab your fingers on the back. Inhale, lift your chest. And with the exhale, flow forward. Breathe in and breathe out. And then as well, release your fingers. Now bring your right hand to the left side. And if you like, bring your left hand on your pelvic to go for the rotation, but make sure that your pelvic is not moving. If this works nice for you, good job. Then move and lift your left arm up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Back to center. So move your toes back to center. With your inhale, come up. With the exhale, back into your goddess position. Inhale once again up. Align back into your Warrior 2. Left foot facing the front. Right is 90 degrees ankle. Come back with your inhale into your Warrior 1. And with your exhale, bring your hands back to the ground so you remember the move. Right foot. Right knee to your left foot. Sit back to go for your rotation. First of all, check that you're nicely aligned, that your sitting bones having contact with the mat. Hug your left knee. Breathe in. And with your exhale, go for your rotation. Inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale. And exhale. Last one. To release your hands, coming back to center. Release as well your legs. Now, roll up to go for your Savasana on your mat. So feel free to just lay on the ground. Make sure that your legs are mat wide apart. And give yourself some moments to breathe. So let all the movements just help your body to let go. Your mind to get free and calm. And feel the nice balance of letting things just flow away and creating new space to unfold. Deepen your breath again. Feel your body. Feel the natural movements coming again and being there all the time. Feel the changes of your body and observe the change of your awareness. Slowly hug your knees. Roll to one side. And find your way into your seated position as we did it in the beginning. Feel free to bring one hand to your stomach, one hand to your heart. So sometimes you have to let go to create new space, freedom, and as well the refreshing energy. And I hope this is the feeling you take out of this 15-minute class. Take another breath, lift your arms up. Bring your hands to your heart center. Softly open your eyes. Namaste.